Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the hard event for beginner, how to play Fighting Legends Goku in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. So I made this video is for a new player that new into this game, Dokkan Battle. Let's get start. Tap the start button, tap the event. And sometimes the loading is take a time. And as you can see, there are 4 options here: Z Battle, Challenge, Growth and Story. Tap the Challenge one, scroll down. This is old event, and for new player it's good to go, good to challenge this event, Fighting Legend Goku. Range victorious in series of battle against Goku to get the summon tickets. Tap the details information. So you have to face 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Goku that transform in every phase, and he keeps getting stronger every phase. And the final phase, this Goku UI Goku can nullify your attack. And this is boss type information in every phase. And also you can get Dragonstone and Fighting Legend Goku ticket. And 1 Dragonstone will be reward for clearing stage 1 on Super. So, and also let's get tap this event. There are mission here. Tap the mission. So if there are 36 mission. If you are complete the mission, you can get a ticket and Dragonstone. For example, this clear the challenge event once with 6 low class warrior, and you can get 5 Dragonstone and 5 tickets. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. Enjoy the game.